look at these fidgets. These are called poppin' pipes. They really make such a fun sound. My kids love them. They also love to go like this. They love to swing them around and make that fun sound, which most of the time is fine. But it's just a really fun sensory experience because of that fun sound. And you can bend them all different ways like this. They do fit together like that, not really tightly, but enough for them to make a necklace or a belt or something like that. So it's a great open-ended toy with fun sounds.